How to find phone number on messages in your iPad. So if you want to find your number first, you should be able to do it by finding your own account that is synced to your iPad. So to do that, you can go ahead into your device settings, press on search, and type in sign in, and then you're gonna have to find this, which is sign in and security. Here you'll be able to find your email and phone numbers, but your phone number should be right below your email. As for another person's number, you can just go ahead inside your messages, go to the conversation or the specific number you want to find, and then you can just tap on this, which is the top profile or the name, and then this right tab will appear, which will have their number as well. But those are pretty much the ways you can find the phone numbers on your messages in your iPad. So hopefully this video can help you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.